This is Barbecue Depot, and we're going to show you the Alfresco ALXE Grill. This grill is a 30-inch grill, and it also comes in 3 other sizes, 36, 42, and 56. It has an easy lift hood with its exclusive torsion system. All of the grills can come either all blue flame with the U burner, or you can have a sear zone. This particular grill is a 30-inch grill, so we always will recommend the 2 blue flame burners. There are 2 halogen interior lights along with amber LED lights above the knobs. The blue flame burners come with a really heavy-duty stainless rod cooking grate, ceramic briquette trays. The cooking grid on the sear zone will be different. They have an exclusive sear zone cooking grate. It has a built-in rotisserie motor, so you press the rotisserie button and it starts to move. It has a dedicated smoker burner and smoker tray for putting in herbs, wood chips, whatever it is you like. The grease tray has a little tray for cleaning, making it very easy. Model and serial number located underneath the grease tray. The grill uses an electric ignition, but it uses the traditional metal probe electrodes. So you would simply hold in the button. Once it's lit, you can let go. It also gives you the ability to have many color choices. You can also do a custom color. It's more economical to do the colors that they choose. And if you have any other questions, reach out to us at thebarbecuedepot.com.